Hey guys, hope you're doing really well. For today's recipe, we're going to go all the way to the Lombard region, and today we're going to do the Osso Bucco, which pairs perfectly with my risotto Milanese.
Ossobuco is Italian for bone with a hole, a reference to the marrow at the center of the beef or veal shank. In today's video, I will show you how to make the Ossobuco for the risotto Milanese I made earlier. Traditionally, Ossobuco is made with veal, but I found these beautiful beef shanks and I just had to use them, but you could use veal if you want. So start off by chopping your onions into large dices. Do the same with the carrots. And last but not least, the celery. Chop a large garlic into half and then season your flour and coat your beef shank in the flour. Make sure the flour is seasoned. To a hot pan, sear your beef shank till it's nice and crispy on the outside and you have a great color. My pan is a bit small, so I'm going to do it one at a time. Now you need all that residue at the bottom of the pan. Do not clean it or throw it away. Just add your carrots, your onions and your celery, and we're going to give it a gentle caramelization. We don't want to caramelize it too much, just gently. Add your tomato paste and gently coat all your vegetables with that tomato paste. This will give a nice color to your sauce. The next step is optional, but I think it gives a nice deep flavor to your sauce. I'm going to deglaze my pan with a bit of cognac. Again, this is optional. You don't need to do this. Scrape all that beautiful flavor off the bottom of the pan. Now this pan is a bit small, so I'm going to switch to a larger pan. Now you could, if you have too much of Ossobuco, use a big pot, but for me a pan is enough. Add your white wine and reduce it by half. You could also use a Dutch oven, put everything inside and into the oven for about 4 to 6 hours, and your beef will come out nice and tender. Add your aromats, garlic, black peppercorns, allspice and bay leaves, and let it reduce. At this stage, also add in your crushed canned tomatoes. You could also use fresh tomatoes, but canned give it a nice color. Drop your veal or beef shank back in, top it off with some beef stock and let it reduce till it's nice and tender. What I like to do is, once it's ready, I like to drain the sauce, but this is again optional. You could keep all the vegetables in and serve it like a rustic way. So I'm just gonna drain out all those vegetables, and then I'm gonna reheat this nice thick sauce. I'm gonna add in just a bit of beef stock to dilute the rich sauce. Add the carrots and the beef in and let it warm up gently. Now I'm gonna make a gremolata. So it's lemon zest with some parsley, crushed garlic, sea salt, and optionally you can add in some olive oil, but this is not traditional, but gives a nice flavor. So once that's done, toss it all together and your Ossobuco should be ready to go. Serve your Ossobuco with a bit of gremolata on top. This breaks down the richness of this meal and cuts it down with the acidity of the lemon zest. So your Ossobuco is ready to go. My favorite way of eating Ossobuco is with risotto Milanese. I will link the recipe to the Milanese here. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you like my videos, do subscribe, leave a like or comment on the videos. Till next time, this is me signing off. Buon appetito.